Welcome back to Car Reviewpedia, where we dive deep into the world of automobiles, giving you the latest and most comprehensive reviews. Today, we have something truly unique to talk about. If you're a car enthusiast, you'll know that Bugatti has always been synonymous with luxury, performance, and engineering excellence. But today, Bugatti has taken an unexpected yet exciting turn with their 2025 release, the Bugatti minivan. Yes, you heard that right. The iconic French brand has entered the minivan market, and it's turning heads for all the right reasons. Let's start with the basics. When we hear the name Bugatti, we usually think of the Veyron, the Chiron, or other exotic hypercars. Those vehicles are made for speed, for power, for thrill. But Bugatti's foray into the minivan segment is a bold statement. Luxury and performance don't have to be reserved only for sports cars. In fact, the Bugatti minivan redefines what it means to drive a family vehicle. This isn't just a minivan, it's a Bugatti through and through, with the pedigree of one of the world's most prestigious carmakers. First, let's talk about the exterior. The 2025 Bugatti minivan takes the traditional minivan shape and gives it a sleek, aggressive twist. The body is crafted from a mix of lightweight carbon fiber and aluminum, which makes it not only durable but also incredibly strong and light. The lines are smooth and aerodynamic, giving the minivan an almost sports car-like presence. The front end features Bugatti's signature horseshoe grille, flanked by sharp LED headlights, and the iconic Bugatti logo sitting proudly on the hood. There's no mistaking it, this is a Bugatti, even if it is a minivan. The design is unmistakably luxurious too. With the Bugatti minivan, you get the perfect blend of form and function. The vehicle is built to have a low center of gravity, ensuring stability and a smoother ride, even when fully loaded. The curves are sharp, and every design element has been carefully thought out to ensure that the minivan stands out in a crowd, whether you're picking up the kids from school or cruising down the highway. This is a minivan that's built to turn heads wherever it goes. When it comes to the interior, Bugatti has spared no expense in creating a cabin that's both luxurious and practical. The seating arrangement is flexible. With 3 rows of seats, the minivan can comfortably accommodate up to 7 passengers. But this is not just any seating. Bugatti has designed the seats to be ultra comfortable, using the finest leather and materials. The front seats are fully adjustable, with both heating and cooling options, and they provide an ergonomic design for long-distance comfort. Even the rear seats don't take a backseat when it comes to luxury, with a high level of attention to detail and comfort, making this one of the most plush family vehicles on the market. The technology in the 2025 Bugatti minivan is cutting edge. A massive 12-inch touchscreen is at the center of the dashboard, featuring an intuitive interface that connects seamlessly with both Android and Apple devices. There's also an advanced voice recognition system, allowing you to control various functions with just a simple command. The system integrates everything from navigation to climate control, entertainment, and more. Bugatti has also introduced a premium sound system that's second to none. The sound quality is exceptional, offering a crystal clear, immersive listening experience, whether you're playing your favorite tracks or watching a movie during a long road trip. The interior is also equipped with state-of-the-art soundproofing materials, ensuring that the cabin remains quiet and serene, even at high speeds or when cruising down a busy highway. Now, let's talk about performance. You might be thinking, how can a minivan from Bugatti possibly compete with their hypercar lineup? Well, this is where things get really interesting. Under the hood, the 2025 Bugatti minivan boasts an impressive hybrid powertrain. It combines a high-performance 3.5-liter V6 engine with an electric motor, producing a combined total of 700 horsepower. That's right, a minivan with the power to rival some sports sedans. The V6 engine is paired with an advanced 8-speed dual-clutch transmission, delivering power to all 4 wheels. The performance of this minivan is absolutely stunning. It can accelerate from 0 to 60 miles per hour in just under 5 seconds. This is a family vehicle that will blow your mind when you hit the gas pedal. Whether you're driving around the city or taking it on a weekend getaway, you feel the thrill of performance every time you drive. And despite its power, the Bugatti minivan is remarkably smooth and refined, providing a level of comfort that's hard to find in most performance cars, let alone a minivan. The handling is equally impressive. Thanks to its all-wheel drive system and adaptive suspension, the minivan offers superior grip and stability, even when cornering Bugatti has equipped this minivan with a full suite of advanced driver assistance systems, including adaptive cruise control, lane keeping assist, automatic emergency braking, and a 360-degree camera system. These features, combined with Bugatti's focus on building robust, durable vehicles, ensure that you and your passengers are well protected, no matter where the road takes you. Finally, let's touch on the price. As you'd expect from a Bugatti, this minivan comes with a hefty price tag. The base model starts around $200,000, with higher trims going for even more. While that might seem like a lot for a minivan, remember that you're getting a level of luxury, performance, and engineering that's simply unparalleled in this segment. This is a vehicle for those who demand the best, no matter what type of car they're looking for. So, there you have it. The 2025 Bugatti minivan is a game changer in the world of family vehicles. It blends luxury, performance, and practicality in a way that's never been done before. Whether you're in the market for a high-performance vehicle that can carry the whole family or simply want to experience the world's most luxurious minivan, the Bugatti minivan is in a class of its own.